Hello, welcome to World of Floorcraft. We are Nelson and Karen Rose, and this is an Intermediate Modern Jive Clip showing you how to do a Pretzel Manhatten. Obviously it's going to be really useful if you already know how to do a pretzel, and I'll put a link in the description below in case you don't know that, so you can go off, learn it, come back with that hole in your repertoire filled up. It would be advantageous as well if you also know how to do a Manhattan, but it is not compulsory to have that in your repertoire first. We will give you enough information to make it work anyway. So, Pretzel Manhatten looks like this. Goes 7 and 8. R1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. The Manhattan bit we will try together. If you do it facing away and I go across, I think that will probably help people. So, first off, everyone's doing exactly the same thing. All we're going to do is forwards on the left, replace the weight on the right, and then bring the left back so it's just a fraction behind the right. Then we're going to go back on the right, replace the weight onto the left, and when we replace the right it's going to be slightly forwards of the left, and we just repeat. So we go forwards and back, back and forwards, forwards and back, back and forwards. Our numbers would be 1 and 2, 3 and 4. So a whole sequence takes 4 counts. Okay, let's put that into our pretzel. So we go back and offer, standard pretzel. We go left over the lady. We go right over the lady. So standard pretzel to here. Now what we're going to do is we're going to comb over the lady, hand down onto the shoulder, so the heel of the hand is on the lady's shoulder, and we're going to square up, guys, so we're looking past the lady, feet together for everybody. And now, guys, all we're going to do, shift the weight a fraction to our right, which puts weight on the guy's right, puts the weight on the lady's left, which frees up the lady's right foot and the guy's left foot, and then we're ready to just go forwards for the guys, back for the ladies. So we go step and replace. Now back for the guys, forwards for the ladies, step and replace, repeat, step and replace, step and replace. We're going to look like we're doing the same thing, but as we take the step back for the lady, we're going to take the right hand up, and then guys turn left, finish the pretzel off, right over the guy, left over the lady, and you're done. So let's talk about numbers, and we'll do it from the other side. So we go semicircle back 1, left over the lady 2, right over the lady 3, combing and prepping 4, and then we go 5 and 6, 7 and 8, 1 and 2, 3 and 4, lifting 5 over the guy 6, returning 7 and back 8, and that is it. Thank you very much for doing the Pretzel Manhatten with us. We will see you next time, and we'll pop a music recommendation at the end. Like, subscribe and hit the bell, that way you'll know every time a new video comes out. Thank you for watching World of Floorcraft. I hope you've enjoyed learning some modern jive. There is a link to some music that is good to dance modern jive to. Thank you to everyone who hit subscribe. You are helping us to make more clips. Thank you. Keep dancing.